welcome to the Blackpool Tower ride. Did you all enjoy the 4D cinema? Yeah. Is it anyone's first time up to the top? Yeah. Really good stuff. Just to give you guys a bit of information, we are currently heading up to a height of 380 feet in just 69 seconds, whilst passing through 2,593 tons of metal on the way. Once we reach the top, we face our famous glass skywalk. Each pane of glass is 5 centimetres thick, triple laminated and can hold the weight of up to 5 tons. That's about the same as 2 elephants, so do feel free to have a good run and jump about on that. If not, it can easily be avoided by turning left or right out the lift. On your right hand side there'll be a blue spiral staircase that takes to our 3 outside levels and a further height of 412 feet. Even though it is outside, we do still strictly enforce our no smoking policy, and that is also include the use of e-cigarettes as well. Once you guys are ready to head back down, all in your own time, just make your way round to the back of the tower. It's just that side facing the town, and we'll get a lift up to you there as soon as possible. But other than that, enjoy your time at the